Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be discussing as always crypto, Bitcoin, also a little bit of the stock market just to understand what's going to be happening next, where are we going, and of course please before we continue don't forget to subscribe to the channel, smash that like button for more notification video every single day. Let's go and have a look at the point of the situation with Bitcoin right now. Yesterday we said that we could see a continuation to 67,500. Well guys, our prediction was very close, and we called it this one since roughly $63,000 to $64,000. So whoever listened to us was able to make a 7-8% only on Bitcoin, because it went up to 67,300. So very close to what we said. And also altcoins like Solana, we were predicting 160 and it went exactly to 159.5. So very close to our prediction. So congratulations to all of you. We actually disclose all of this price prediction and analysis on our VIP group. Is a group where we usually do mainly swing trading, as well also a little bit of scalping trading, and we do daily analysis of your favorite coin just to understand where we're gonna go next. But let's cut the chase now. Let's have a look at Bitcoin, guys. I mean, still the situation hasn't changed at all. We went up to this level here. We had this beautiful bullish hammer, which in general signifies a reversal in trend, and as you can see, we're actually pumping to the upside. And now what I'm expecting here, what you're probably asking yourself is what's going to be happening in the next week or so. What I'm going to do now, I'm going to go on the daily chart just to show you a little bit of an insight what I think going to be happening. Guys, this chart in my opinion looks beautiful, looks great, because at the moment Bitcoin is I'm going to show you right now in a second, but what I want to show you from here would be, have a look at this. So we had this nice bull flag. So we had a bull flag. We were able last night to go as high as $67,265. And right now Bitcoin is pretty much going down again. But is it going down to have a reversal, or is it going down to actually recharge the batteries over here and then have another impulse to the upside? Because what I want to show you is the following. So right now, I'm going to give you a bit of a lesson about technical analysis, right? So can you see these lines over here? This is called exponential moving average, right? Whenever we actually go to the upside and we break these lines over here, what we might see, it will be that we broke this level over here, then we retest this line over here, and then what can happen will be a continuation to continue to the upside. So looking at the chart right now, in my opinion, it looks like the Bitcoin, what it could do, it could maybe retest down to here to 64,700, 65,000, and then what I could be expecting from here would be another continuation to the upside. And a hypothetical target usually is in between these lines over here. It could be as high as maybe 68,200 or even as high as 70,000. But again, guys, we need to be able to break above this level over here. 67,500 is our pivotal point, and once we're going to be able to break that, that's going to be fireworks, and potentially we're going to be able to go and test this area again over here. Let's go also intraday to see a little bit better what's happening right now. I mean, Bitcoin looks like, you know, is in a beautiful shape, if I must say. And if there is not like any black swan event to come in the next few days, then I could be expecting more continuation to the upside. And what I could be expecting from here, guys, would be something like this. I really want to see now a potential pull back down to this area over here, maybe 64,900, 65,000, and then one final push to here. And once you're going to be able to break over here, then this is going to be next. So that could be something like a scenario where I could see it could play very soon. But look at this, for example. I'm going to show you right now. In order to be bullish again, guys, we need to break this level over here. So we touch here, we touch this diagonal line, so we need to break this diagonal level of resistance. And once you're going to be able to break that, then of course the next target is going to be 69,000, as also as high as 70 to 71,000 dollars. So that's what I think is going to be happening from here. S&P 500 yesterday came to talk to one of my friends and we were discussing about this beautiful inverted head and shoulder pattern retest on this line over here. So what I'm expecting from the S&P 500 will be continuation. If we're going to have continuation, of course, Bitcoin should also move to the upside. So what I could be expecting from a stock market could be something like this, maybe a bit of downside from here and then another movement to the upside like that. So that could be something that I could be expecting. If this is going to happen, Bitcoin is going to move to the upside. Also, I'm going to have a look at the DXY dollar currency index, inversely correlated to the stock market. And as you can see, as I said before, whenever this one goes down, crypto goes up and stocks go up. And look what happened yesterday, boom. It went to the downside and crypto and stock started to go up. And we need to have a look at now what's going to be happening here with the DXY, because DXY, we can go also on the 4-hour chart to understand better, guys. I mean, DXY looks like at the moment, right, it could be forming. This could be either, because you can't really know for sure, but it could be either a bull flag from here. So that's what I can see happening with a target of this bull flag. If it's going to continue to go down, could be something like that, maybe to go down and retest this level over here at maybe 105. So that could be something which I could be expecting. So that could be something like this. We can also draw a Fibonacci retracement to understand how we go. So the 0.5 matches exactly to 0.5214. So in between this area, guys, maybe in between this area, 104.9, that could be something we can see the DXY to go down. So if this is going to be the case, guys, of course, the crypto and the stock market are going to go higher. But of course, this could be temporary because DXY is still in a bullish trend. And then if it's going to go and then retest this diagonal trend line from here, it's going to go to 1.5. Then what could be happening if this is a true bull flag? Then what you're going to see could be another big movement to the upside. And this is going to happen, then stock market and crypto are going to correct again. And all of these, guys, is in line with the fact that Bitcoin is still I'm not going to say in a downtrend, but it's still risky because this chart over here, unless we break these highs over here at 74,000 and then we start to go up again, Bitcoin is still in a potential downtrend. You can even see, like, from here, it could be like a potential ABCD pattern. And if you're gonna have an ABCD pattern, $55,000 wouldn't be off the cards, because that could be something like that. So maybe by 11th of May we could see Bitcoin to go down again. But if this is going to happen, it's going to be a great opportunity. So I'm going to be very happy, to be honest, to if this is going to happen, because what I'm going to do, I'm going to buy more, of course. Yeah, guys, I mean, that's it. I think that's probably the most important level to have a look right now. So still not out of the woods. Of course, if you bought, like we said, in our VIP group, 61,000, 62,000, you should be in crazy profit right now. So looks like, maybe we're going to have more continuation. The only Black Swan event I was discussing on TikTok as well. The only thing which I really urge you to pay attention will be the fact that end of April, CZ from Binance is going to be prosecuted, and they're going to decide whether they're going to put him in jail or not. And that could actually pose a little bit of a problem, because if he's gonna I guess found guilty, lots of people are gonna freak out, market are gonna sell, so that could be a catalyst for a move to the downside. But again, I'm not expecting this to happen right now. Let's probably talk about at the end of the week if this is going to happen. But if the stock market right now, it looks like is moving upwards, I can expect also crypto to follow the same and Bitcoin to go a little bit higher. But again, be careful, because now we touch a very important level of resistance. We might have a bit of a correction down to 65, 65.5, 64.5, and then again, one more movement to maybe 68 to $69,000. Also, very quickly, I'm going to show you the altcoins. I mean, Fetch AI looks like it's forming a potential bull flag from here. Could be going down as low as maybe down to here, down to this level, and then rebound this area over here. Solana, beautiful chart as well. Looks, also a little bit of correction, and then maybe more upside. Of course, we cover all of this in our VIP group. You can follow in the description below. There is a link. You can just join, $59 a month, very, very cheap. Also, we have, Chainlink as well, bit of a retracement, and then down to here, we break this level, we go down. So Those are all the altcoins we look at every single day to place trades. Some scalping trades, mainly swing trades. Guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you have a question, leave a comment down below, but just to be aware of the situation right now. Again, if you're looking long term, we're still in a bull market. I am expecting Bitcoin to go way, way higher than what it is right now, but maybe medium to short term, still a little bit cautious, still got cash on the sideline to buy a dip if that occurs, but otherwise so far so good. Guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope it was helpful for you, and of course I'm gonna see you tomorrow for another update.